Ever wonder how skin heals self-harm scars? Let's dive into it with Ubie Health. When you injure your skin, your body kicks off a repair process. First, a blood clot forms to stop the bleeding. Then, fibroblasts build a collagen scaffold, like patching a wall. Thinner skin areas, like wrists, can keep scars more visible. Protecting scars from the sun helps prevent darkening. Sunscreen is key. For stubborn scars, topical therapies like silicone gels can smooth scars. Laser treatments target scar tissue to stimulate healthy skin renewal. Skin grafts transfer healthy skin over deep scars for better match. Worried about your scars? Why wait for a doctor's visit when you could find out right now for free? The Ubie Symptom Checker is the only free, doctor-approved AI. Tap like and follow for more real info you can trust.